Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. It is so wonderful to see you today. I am David.
And hello everyone. I am Alice. We are so happy to spend this time with you. How are you today, David?
I am doing fantastic, Alice. Thank you. Today, we have a very warm and beautiful topic. We are talking about the people we love the most.
Yes, today's topic is Talk about your family. Learn easy daily phrases. English speaking practice.
This is such a useful topic. When you meet new friends, they always ask, "Do you have any brothers or sisters?" or "Tell me about your family."
Yes, and many beginners panic. They think, "Oh no, how do I say beau-frère or cousine in English?" Or "How do I describe my mother's job?" Today we will make it super easy for you.
Yes, we will. Your brain will learn these phrases naturally. But before we start talking about our lovely families, please take one quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and keep making these slow, clear lessons for you.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let us look at our very first step, the immediate family.
Excellent. The immediate family means your closest relatives, your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your husband or wife, and your children.
Let us start with parents. Your parents are your father and your mother.
Yes, or more casually, you can say mum and dad.
Let us repeat those words slowly. Mum, dad.
Now, how do we talk about brothers and sisters? There is a special single word for this in English, siblings.
Yes, many beginners do not know this word. Siblings means brothers and sisters together. So if someone asks you, "Do you have any siblings?" they want to know if you have brothers or sisters.
Let us say that word slowly. Siblings. Siblings. For example, I can say, "I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister." Let us repeat that simple sentence. I have 2 siblings. What if you do not have any brothers or sisters? You can say, "I am an only child."
Oh, that is a great phrase. An only child. Let us repeat it together slowly. I am an only child.
Now, let us look at children. Your children are your son and your daughter.
Let us listen to the pronunciation of daughter. It can be a little tricky. Daughter, daughter.
Yes, the GH is silent. You just say daughter. Let us repeat it. I have 1 son and 1 daughter.
This table is so helpful. It makes the words very easy to remember. Now, let us move to step number 2, describing your family size.
Yes. How do we say how many people are in our family? Many beginners make a classic mistake. They say, "We are 4 in my family."
Yes, that is a literal translation from many other languages. But in English, we do not say, "We are 4." Instead, we say, "There are 4 people in my family."
Exactly. Let us repeat that correct sentence slowly together. There are 4 people in my family.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I have a big family," or "I have a small family."
Let us repeat those. I have a big family. I have a small family.
Now, let us look at step number 3, describing family members. When we talk about our family, we like to say their age, their job, or what they are like.
Yes. To talk about age, we use simple numbers. For example, my brother is 25 years old. Or simply, my brother is 25. Let us repeat that. My brother is 25.
And to talk about personality, we use simple adjectives. Let us learn 4 very easy and positive adjectives today.
Adjective number 1 is kind. It means nice and helpful. For example, my mother is very kind. Let us repeat it. My mother is very kind.
Adjective number 2 is funny. It means someone who makes you laugh. For example, my father is very funny. Let us repeat it. My father is very funny.
I love funny dads. Adjective number 3 is friendly. For example, my sister is very friendly. Let us repeat it. My sister is very friendly.
Adjective number 4 is hardworking. It means someone who works very hard. For example, my brother is very hardworking. Let us repeat it. My brother is very hardworking.
Now let us look at step number 4, talking about where they live.
Yes, sometimes our family members live in different cities or countries. We can use the simple verb live or lives.
Remember, for one person we add an S. My sister lives in London. Let us repeat it. My sister lives in London.
What about your parents together? For 2 people, we do not use the S. My parents live in New York. Let us repeat it. My parents live in New York.
Now let us move to step number 5, real-life practice dialogues. We are going to do 2 simple conversations. Dialogue number 1 is about Alice's family. Let us listen closely. Alice, tell me, do you have a big family?
No, David, I have a small family. There are 3 people in my family. My husband, my daughter, and me.
Oh, lovely. How old is your daughter?
She is 5 years old. She is very energetic and funny.
5 years old. That is a very fun age. Do you have any siblings, Alice?
Yes, I do. I have one older brother. He lives in Canada.
Oh, Canada. What does he do?
He is a teacher. He is very hardworking.
That is wonderful. Thank you for sharing, Alice.
You are welcome. Now let us do dialogue number 2. This time I will ask David about his family. Let us listen. David, do you have any siblings?
Yes, Alice. I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Wow, 2 brothers and 1 sister? That is a busy house. Do you all live in the same city?
No, we don't. My sister lives in London and my brothers live with my parents in Australia.
Oh, Australia. That is far away. Do you visit them often?
Yes, I visit them every summer. My parents are very kind and my dad is extremely funny. We always have a great time together.
That sounds absolutely amazing, David.
It really is. Now, let us do an interactive challenge to train our listeners' brains.
Yes, listeners, I will ask you a simple question. I will give you 3 seconds to think of your answer in English. Try to say it aloud. Question number 1. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Think of your answer. David, how can they answer this?
If you have them, you can say, yes, I have 1 brother, or yes, I have 2 sisters. If you don't, you can say, no, I am an only child.
Brilliant. Question number 2. How many people are in your family? Think of your answer. Perfect. You are doing an excellent job. Now, let us do our final slow and clear repetition round. Please repeat after us aloud at home.
My family.
My family.
I have a small family.
I have a small family.
I have a big family.
I have a big family.
There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
I have 2 siblings.
I have 2 siblings.
I am an only child.
I am an only child.
Fantastic job, everyone. Your pronunciation is getting so natural and confident.
Yes, your English is growing stronger every single day. We are very proud of your effort.
We truly are. Now, to build a warm connection with us, we want to ask you a simple question for the comments section today.
Yes, we read and reply to all your beautiful comments. Today, please tell us, how many people are in your family?
Write your answer below using the phrase, there are people in my family. It is the perfect way to practice without translating in your head.
Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for listening to us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Take care of yourself and your family. Yes, family is everything. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Goodbye.